Hello, this is Annie from Shenzhen Jizhao Information, specializing in LED and OLED digitizer assembly for iPhone. Here I'm gonna introduce the model for iPhone 7. For this model, we got two options, the black one and the white one. And their resolution is able to reach 1334 by 750, and their luminance is able to reach 547.61 candela square meter. So let me elaborate for you. For this model, we use ACTFT active matrix LCD type and 175 micron OCA from Mitsubishi, the IC from TSMC. What's more, with its oleophobic coating, and in other words, its nano coating, which ensures the resistance to oil stains. There are also 360-degree polarized lens supported. If more information needed for your reference, please don't hesitate to contact me by this email address. I'm ready to offer you more information. Thank you.